How to open zip files on Telegram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Telegram. And once you do that, let's go ahead and find a zip file so we can open. Say for example, this one right here. Now, once you are here, you just need to click on the zip file. And once you do that, you will be redirected to your mobile device file manager, where you will be able to extract the zip file. So go ahead and do that. Let's click extract. And once the zip file has been extracted, you will be able to see the content of that file. As you can see right here, you will have folders that contains everything. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can open zip files on Telegram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.